Okay.
All right, January 23rd, we're on Mr. Kelsey's roof. We're going to do an attempt to repair on this this wind damage shingle here. It looks like this shingle goes from here to here, these three tabs. So we are going to get those unsealed. This is our insealed. We'll start pulling some nails out here. The nails are a little bit above the nail line here, so let's get a little bit of work to get those out. Get to it by wasting some time. So these are actually nailed underneath the shingles above it. So there's there's a nail on all at the top back there. So let's see if we can get those out. Obviously a lot of extra work. Try to pull shingle out. Here, I'll take this. So we could see that the nails were nailed on higher up there. All right, and so it's causing a little bit more, like not unnecessary because it's necessary, but you gotta be really aggressive. But we start to see that these shingles here are weakening on the sides there, and the hinging there. So it's gonna decrease the surface life of those. And we can see here the seams, they're starting to tear as well here. So we got torn shingles there. So we'll try to put this guy back in place and see what that looks like. Okay, so the shingle we put back in, we can see that these shingles here are affected by the repairs. So reduce the surface life. You can see this one's starting to hinge there. So by replacing this shingle here, we're damaging that shingle, this shingle. So it's exponential, right? Going on. In addition to that, we've got shingles that need repair that are overlapping with starter. All right, we've got shingles that need repair that are overlapping with the ridge cap, cause issues. Shingles that are overlapping with roof accessories that are going to be difficult to repair without damaging roof accessories. More shingles overlap with ridge cap. More shingles overlapped with the accessories, so on and so forth, and widespread damage shingles with on the starter. So repairs this roofing system or reduce the service life and the weatherproofing abilities of the roof. We obviously don't recommend a widespread level of repair on this roof, especially because of the age. We recommend that this roofing system be replaced.